thought I'd do a little unboxing video for you. Just got a package. So I thought I'd unbox it and show you what we got and give it a little review. So we're just gonna open it with your standard motorcycle razor blade here. Might take a few cuts just to get everything in. You don't want to hurt yourself, so always cut away. I mean, it's pretty well packaged. It's good cardboard. Let's open it up and take a look. Lots of packaging. That's good to keep stuff from rattling around and getting broken. Especially if you got fragile stuff. This sort of stuff is really fragile. Just take a look here. Brochures. Brochures are a good thing to get. It's good though they're packaged safely so that they're not hurt. Whoops, that rubber band just trashed that one. I want a refund. So I guess the first thing you do is remove the rubber band. It's good quality material. It's got a good, nice blue color scheme going on. When you flip it over, it's got a nice green color scheme. Actually, it's a pretty terrible green, but it's not that bad when you look at it with the blue. So those two look good together. Just don't look at the green, you just look at the blue, and we're good. Yeah, that's it. Looks like we got a free CD, menstruation DVD. That's cool. It looks like there's more stuff down here. Did I order that? I don't know that I ordered that. Apparently I ordered that. Looks like there's also some lesson material down here and other good stuff. Looks like a little note. It's a little bit crinkled. I didn't do that, but that's okay. Please contact your local CEF chapter if you have any questions. I'm the local CEF chapter, so what do? I don't have questions though. So. If they're in packs of 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, yeah, they're probably packs of 50, 100, 150, 200, 249, because I broke one. These rubber bands are good. They can wrap around your brochures twice, which is always good to keep them contained. So that's it. That's my unboxing review for the CEF materials that I got from cefpress.com. Thanks for joining me. Well, I set my alarm for 7:15. It said 11 hours and some odd minutes. Hello! Welcome home, me! I missed you, Kayla girl. I missed you. Let's go to the gym and work out really big, strong muscles into little muscles into racquetball muscles.
You always choose to vlog at inconvenient times.
Kayla, come back to me. I miss you. Let's get a drink. I'm thirsty. What do we want? Tea or Ticino or coffee or something? When the night has come and the day is done. Is that how the song goes? Do you know, Kayla? Do you know what song I was singing, Kayla? Do you just know these things? Oh, she's shutting the door on me. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.